everybody want a house? They want a single story with a pool, and this house has it all. Not just any pool.
Amazing. It is a 5-star pool and spa, and on top of it, you've got no rear neighbors.
Perched up on a hill, come on in and let's take a look.
Welcome to 3916 Folsom Drive in Antioch. We have almost an 8,000 square foot lot, almost 1,900 square foot of living space. Check out this pool and spa. This is an amazing opportunity for a single family home. We're single story, we have upgrades throughout, the kitchen, the bathrooms, you name it, this house has it. Come and take a look at this beautiful single story here in Antioch.
Somebody was thinking about buying a home, so be sure to
Like,
comment,
and share.
make it a great home selling and buying day.